Ici, moi, c'est Ndaruwega Tambara Nelson. Nous sommes une équipe, nous venons de Goma. Nous sommes venus ici pour nombreuses activités. C'est vrai, nous sommes venus ici pour apporter notre apport aux communautés, différentes communautés qui résident dans le plateau de Minembwe.
Nyehe, Nyangeranya Francine. Niweti bana barinda.
Nawe wakumwana shida?
Wenene sana. Shida zo tugweti ziri nyingi wenene. Manake mu manyumba ndacyo kirugu tukasaza muhe. Tukaterwa ibyo tukasaza mu manyumba bari bana naho. Twanatibita. Bindu byose bya mu nyumba bikahirira muhe. Kutangira kubyaje, kutangira ku mirondo nibirugu bya munyumba byoshe. Ninasemi batutabale birabindu byoshe bya munyumba. Bangana tutabala kiri n'amanjanja go kuyubaka tutakiyubake kandi ibiti.
Na hivi tuko tunalala njaa, hatuna cha kukula. Kumbi tungiliomba leta ama kuko ONG moja yenye itaweza kutusaidia kungambo ya machakula. Itaweza kutusaidia kungambo ya machakula sababu hatuna chakula.
Mama Misaubeni
yange shida nachumba mailoti kana bidebu ilebwa lewa byose biloti ndana ng'ombe bishimo obakana bato na malwati bato batese amanga na ilwala.
Now we are in a village called Kalingi, and we have seen the habitant of this village, but sadly we have met them and we converse with them, but we have seen that it's a very sad story to tell to the world, where the population that was living in this area started killing each other one after another. They were living in the same villages. Those populations are Banyamulenge, Bafuliru, Babembe, Banyindu and Bashi. But in this year 2019, they started in March until now. Some of them are still in the forests, fleeing, looking for their food to eat. Others are sleeping outside. We have seen them and we witnessed a very bad story. We call upon you, everyone who had a human heart, to come upon them and help. They need food. They need houses. They need shelters to stay in. They need to be preached about peace. They don't know what is peace and how a man can create a peace with his neighbor. We are very sad to see this, but we call upon you. And we thank you, Bell Praise Church and New Hope Revival Ministry. You have sent us here, and we hope that you will do something very great. Na message yetu si nyingine ila ni hiyo ambayo imeandikwa kwa hiyo banderole ambayo mmeshika. Ningewasihi muweze kurudilia pamoja na mimi kurepete avec moi hiyo phrase ya chini tu. Inasema Minembwe land of peace.
Minembwe land of peace.
Inamaanisha nini? Ni Minembwe ni bulongo ya amani. Na hiyo ndiyo message yetu na ndiyo mission yetu ambayo imetuleta hapa.
Icyo dukeneye amahoro mu gihugu cyacu. Tugira amahoro, abandi bantu aho bageze mu bintu by'amajyambere, bageze nk'abasore nk'aba icyo ko barahanira kwiga, ko baraharanira ubucuruzi, ariko Kongo ibyo twobikorera tugira amahoro.
Mjambo wa ndugu, mimi naitwa kwa jina la Irenge na Megabe, niko chargé na sport mo plateau mzima Minembwe depuis 2003 mpaka 2019. Tunafurahi sana kuona wakuu wetu wanatutembelea. Kwa leo tumecheza mpira, tumeshukuru mpira kupatana umoja ya makabila mbalimbali. Tunakuwa na timu 32. Tuache ubaguzi makabila, kwa sababu hii mnafanya itakuwa ni hadithi kwetu na kwa hadithi kwa mama na watoto wengine tunakuwa nao.
Nitwa Ruhimbya Rugenerwa, nije mushefu wo mu Rutigita, niho ntuye. Intambara yarabaye, abantu barapfuye, ibintu byarangiritse, amazu yarahiye, abantu barahunga bava mu muhano baragenda. Rero n'amatungo uko niko yangiritse, hangiritse imyaka yo mu mazu, hangiritse n'imyaka yasigaye mu mirima nayo irangirika, byose birangirika. Rero tukaba dusabye abagira neza badufasha, kandi hari abantu benshi ntibagira aho baryama, ntibagira ico barya, hari bitaro byarangiritse nabyo byarasahuwe, kugenda n'amaguru kuva aho turi kushika igisombe ku bitaro.
Leo nitwa Dera Nyabigondo, tuye mu Rutigita, twagize ibyago, ariko icyo twishimiye mbere dushimiye yuko muje kudusura, kandi dukunda yuko mutuzirikana cyane. Ibyo muri mu gukora rero biri mu kudushimisha, Imana izobaha umugisha. Icyongeyeho n'ubu turacafite izo ngorane, amazu yarahiye, ibigori byarahiye, amahuzu yarahiye, ibintu zose byarangiritse kandi ahantu hose. None ga icyo twifuje imfashanyo ikomeye cyane, inkunga yanyu nizi dukomeza, nizo tuma dushikama mu gihugu, kandi mudusabire cyane. Abantu barahagaze ko baraguma kudusiga tudafite umutima wo gusiga igihugu cacu. Twebwe dushaka imfashanyo yo kubaka amazu ari mu gusha, bakazaga kongeza inzu z'ibyatsi, ariko mudufashe imfashanyo y'amanjanja. Rero natwe ga manjanja ntiboza batwika yose, nubwo bari mu kuzana amarisanse, byenda boza batwikamwe yandi ntibayashikeho. Ariko iyo niyo mfashanyo cyane dukeneye, n'ibyo mu nzu nyine byagumye kwangirika, ariko byose nyine cyane icyo dukeneye n'imfashanyo y'amanjanja.
Izina ryanjye nitwa Roni Sebashyitsi, nduye hano mu Rutigita, ndi umusaza waho, ariko ubu ndi mu matongo, sindi mu mazu. Amazu yaradushiriye, yarahiye, amatungo arapfa arashira, abantu barapfa. None icyo twifuza kubasigaye, mudutera inkunga, turi mu bitunda, muzadufashe kubaka n'ayandi majyambere mwotugezaho, ni mwebwe tubikesha.
Jewe nitwa Munyakazi Sefania, ni umuturage wa hano mu Rutigita. Icyo tuba tubamenyeshaho ni kimwebwe abaterankunga b'amahanga, ni ukugira ngo mudufashe, kandi ukuboko kw'Imana kuza mu nzira nyinshi. Twahuye n'ibyago byo mu buryo butari bumwe, duhindukwa n'abaturanyi twari dusanganwe. Hari abana batoya bahaye biga, hari amazu yagiye yangirika, ibindi byose kuko namwe ubwanyu mubyibonera. Ni ukuvuga ngo tuzaba tubashima, hamwe n'Imana ibafite umugambi munini. Ngaho amahoro niyo dusaba.
jewe nitwa Ruzigura Yasose iwacu ni mu Biziba ariko twari dutuye twatewe inshuro ya mbere duterwa n'ababembe n'abapfurero n'abanyuntu n'abarundi twebwe duhungira hano ku Runundu kwa Chef Semahoro aduheza inzu hano niho turi twese amafamiye agera ku 12 turi mu nzimwe
hano turi kumwe nk'abuzukuru bashika nko ku 12 byenda
ndera munyatutsi twagize ibibazo aho dutuye mu karere kacu muri Bikuba turaterwa dutwikirwa amazu dutwikirwa ibyo kurya tumare turahunga duhungira ahantu hamwe hitwa Gwigasiro nyuma turagaruka twasubiye mu matongo niho turi kandi ikindi dushubijeho nshimiye kubyo mwadukoreye aka gashimwe mutuzaniye turabashimiye Imana ibahereza umugisha.
Nyitwa Zahabu Denise tuye mu Bikuba twahuye n'intambara turahunga duhungira igasiro none ubu nyine twari twagarutse mu misaka turaza none bakaba baduhaye imfashanyo umwe bari ko bamupokeza agafuko ka kawunga tukakagabana turi ku babiri none turabashimiye kuri iyo mfashanyo mwaduhaye.
Naitwa kwa jina la Bonge Ndaishimie, naishi Bikuba. Tulipata magumu wakaturunguzia mwingine na chakula. Tunashukuru kwa hii kado yenye mnatupatia ya sake ya bunga na sehemu kidogo ya maharage. Tunapenda seva tusaidie na ingine yenye batujengee manyumba hivi tuko nje. Hivi tuko nje tuko tunalala sawa manyama kabisa. Bikuba.
Tumepokea wapanaji wa misaada wengi kutoka kwa serikali, kutoka kwa mashirika mbalimbali ile wanaita ONG local au na ma ONG international wamekuja kutusaidia kwa sababu wamesikia hali mbaya, hali ya shida ambayo imekumba hii eneo ya Minembwe.
Na kwa sasa hali ya wahami na waliorejea makwao inakuwa namna gani?
Wengi wamerejea, lakini manyumba yote kwa wengi imelunguzwa. Wanakuwa mwenye anapata mwaye kidogo anaweza kujenga hata hema na ishi ndani, na hiyo ni shida kubwa. Hivi kungali kipwa, lakini shida ingali tatokea wakati mvua itaanza kunyesha.
Yaani msaada huu wa Bell Press Church unatolea watu
haurizishe ni wengi sana, nikikuambia idadi ni wengi sana. AFC na IRC wamepatia jamaa 3642 jamaa njo wenyewe wamesible, lakini watu ambao tumeenregistre wamejiorozesha hapa kwa Minembwe tu ilikuwa 18315 na zaidi. Hiyo yote ni ingali kidogo sana. Plus ou moins 70 personnes ont été tuées et beaucoup d'autres disparus. Et nous avons perdu, donc nous avons vu 60 écoles pillées, 12 écoles détruites complètement, 11 centres de santé ont été touchés et beaucoup, donc des milliers et des milliers de maisons incendiées et les récoltes aussi, et des milliers aussi de vaches qui ont été pillées.
Moi, c'est pasteur Herrera Sebikabou Joseph. Je suis un pasteur de l'église protestante de Minembwe. Nous avons connu la situation d'insécurité, la guerre qui a causé tant d'atrocités et des conséquences, de perte de vies humaines, de villages incendiés, mais aussi de pillage de biens matériels. Mais aussi comme l'Église a fait la responsabilité de pouvoir concilier les gens qui étaient en conflit, nous avons essayé de communiquer avec les groupes armés, mais aussi la population qui était endeuillée.
Hello everyone, my name is Gideon. We have been in Minembwe for almost 8 days, from 27th of July until 3rd of August. Now we have come back in Rwanda. We want to give you the summary of the activities we have seen there, what we did. First of all, in Minembwe, we went there with two purposes. Purpose number one was to distribute food to displaced people because of the war. The purpose number two was to collect data about the cause of ethnic wars that have lasted for more than 2 decades in that area of South Kivu. When we reached there, first of all, we met local leaders, and we had a meeting with them. We told them what we were there for. After that, we visited 2 villages. One village which combined Bafulero, Banyindu, and Babembe. That village is in Kalingi area. And after that, we visited another village of Banyamulenge in Rutigita. What we find there was very, very terrible and very sad to see, where people who were living in the same villages turned to be enemies and started killing one another. We witnessed a very sad story. We saw people who are spending night without any shelter. We saw people who have no food to eat. Millions of cows of Banyamulenge were looted during the war. Until when we were there, some were still being looted in the area of Lulenge, Midimba, and Nganja. And we were in ceremonies of funerals for 3 young people of Banyamulenge who were killed while we were there. They went in their businesses of selling cows in another province. It's in not in South Kivu but in Kindu area, and they were taken and killed. 3 men were killed during that period that we were in Minembwe. As the message we want to give to you and to the world is the message of coming in help. People need shelter, people need health services because most of their health centers were destroyed. People need to rebuild peace and harmony and live together. Young people need to be trained in technical, because most of them are recruited by rebel groups because they don't have jobs. Some of them study up to senior 6. They have no means to continue universities, and the universities are rare there. There is no much universities, 2 I think, or 1 only. So they need to be trained in technical schools and technical skills in order to have what to do. That's what we call upon you. Mostly they need to be preached about peace, love, and living in harmony with their neighbors. In that area there is 4 main tribes: Banyamulenge, Bafuliru, Banyindu, and Babembe. And there is some Bashi who are doing their business there. That's our message. As we have seen in videos, the local leaders gave that same message, and that's what we witnessed, and we call upon you to help. In any area, in any domain, please come and help people in Minembwe. Thank you very much.